Hey guys, so today I'm here with an interesting story and it's a real one. One of my old students has sent me a confession and he's asking me what he did was right or wrong. He has also insisted me to post it in YouTube so that we can all decide it together. So let's go ahead. While reading it, I felt it is interesting and relatable to most of the students right here, so let me share it with you all. So let's read his message. So the title goes, Dear Teacher Bestie, did I do the right thing? So he used to call me his teacher bestie as we shared a lot of things in common and he would always come to me to share whatever he felt like. So, dear teacher bestie, did I do the right thing? Hey teacher bestie, I need to confess something and I need you to tell me, did I do the right thing? It all started last week during our science class. Our teacher had asked us to submit a model on any renewable energy source. While most of my classmates were frantically googling windmills and solar panels, I had a different idea. I decided to build a hydrogen powered car. That's interesting. Using parts from my elder brother's old drone and my dad's shaving foam. Now it's mysteriously missing. Okay. Anyway, I spent 3 sleepless nights working on it. My room looked like Iron Man's lab exploded. I even convinced my little sister to hold wires while I shouldered, bribing her with chocolates and the promise to do the math homework. On submission day, I proudly carried my eco car to school. Good for you. But then came Rohan. He looked at my model, looked at his pathetic cardboard windmill, and then asked the question that started this whole mess. Can I submit yours and you submit mine? I really need the marks this time, or my mom will literally uninstall me. Rohan is not his actual name, and whoever this Rohan is, let me tell you, this is not a good thing to ask your friend. As a friend, you should always be happy what your friends are achieving and you should never deal with their hard works like this. So anyway, I froze. I mean, here was my masterpiece, my sweat, sleep and shaving foam. But then again, Rohan looked desperate and I kind of felt bad. So guess what I did? Yes, I gave him my project. He submitted it, he got full marks and applause. I got a C and a confused look from the teacher, like really? A cardboard windmill with no blades? Later that day, Rohan came to me and said, Thanks bro, I owe you a big time. And here I am, teacher bestie, asking you, did I do the right thing? Was it kindness or was I just plain stupid? Please let me know what you think because my sister's now threatening me to report me to mom if I don't finish her English essay too.
Me fail English? That's impossible.
You're a confused student and a secret scientist in disguise. So my secret scientist in disguise, let me tell you, kindness is one of the best things you can offer to this world, obviously. But it should not be at the cost of your own hard work or your achievements. I think Rohan was wrong here for asking
That's fair. Sorry. I deserve it.
you for your projects. And you could have done it in a better way if Rohan asked it 2-3 days prior. Could have helped him build a new project. In that sense, you would be helping him as a friend also, and you both would be growing as a person. But here, you also did not get good grades for your achievement. And even though Rohan got good grades, he did not learn anything from that project. So you both are not growing here. Whereas if you would have handled it in a different way, you both would have been benefited. So this one act does not define you, so no need to worry. In case of emotions, feeling bad for a friend, feeling kind, you did the right thing. But logically or ethically, you shouldn't have given your project to him. So that was my opinion. Let's see what others have to say on this. Please do tell me in the comments what you all think and what would you do if you were in his place. So let's meet in the next video. Subscribe. Bye.